first edition of the week's Health Summit has brought in experts, leading professionals and doctors from all over the world to discuss, deliberate and debate issues that are going to change the healthcare scenario in the country.
The next phase of healthcare. How do we get there? What needs to change? And do we have the best medical expertise at our disposal? These were some of the questions raised at this two-day-long summit, attended by Union Minister Jairam Ramesh and the who's who of the healthcare world.
There is not enough money in the world, forget about in India.
And this of course emanates from the fact that healthcare is simply becoming unaffordable.
My experience has taught me to believe that the answers to public health in India lie outside the medical fraternity. Until we fix the basics of public health right, we're going to be confronted.
Grown in economic terms, and it has also led to improvement in health indicators. We have moved, as a matter of fact, from 3-digit maternal mortality numbers into much more reduced numbers for infant mortality as well. So, the progress has been there.
Pioneering technology and the latest in technique being shared with practitioners of the profession as well as academia. The key points and recommendations gathered from across the many sessions that were held by a core team of experts and doctors will be submitted to the Honourable Prime Minister of India by the Malayalam Manorama Group. We thank you for joining us for the week's first Health Summit.